got my brother's bike over here, and as you can see, I took off the handlebar. We're gonna be checking a few things, maybe something that is gonna be helpful for you guys. Two things. I'm gonna check for grease, which I can see that there's not a lot, but we're gonna take this apart. But I wanna check the headset size, so stay tuned. We're gonna find out together. Well, as you can see right here, there's grease. It's not bad. The bearing seems okay. Nothing seems to be damaged or missing any bearings at all. Even a little bit of grease on the steer tube. I'm gonna grease it up a little more, but what I wanna see is more the headset size so that we can buy the proper, I don't know if it's gonna be a 4455 or 4456, and that's what we're gonna find out today. And now this is the top cup. Again, a little bit of grease. It's pretty decent job. I'm coming from Walmart straight out of the factory assembly line. So let's go ahead and remove those cups and see what we're working with. So it seems like the bottom is gonna be a 56. And the top will be a 44. So we're gonna be using a 44-56 headset in this thing. That way we can go ahead and upgrade the fork when we need to. Another thing that I can see, there's no grease where the cups sit. So I'm just gonna grease that up a little bit. Reinstall the same cups because that's what I have for now, and when it comes time, I'm gonna get my brother to buy, or unless I have it, I will install some new headset. But right now, that's what we're working with. So yes, just a quick video. I just want to show you the headset size. We're gonna be using a 44-56. I'll leave the links in the description so that way you can check them out. I always use the same one, the Cito, they're whatever. For me, they've been working the same. I have used those for a while, and there's nothing wrong with any of them. I'll leave a link for all of the ones that I use. I hope that you find this video interesting or informative, because this is one of the things that we changed right away. And that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.